In this video, we are going to see how we can smartly fix the aspect ratio with Nano Banana just by using a simple technique, because many of you are facing this issue that even though whatever you try, you ask it many times to convert a simple portrait image to a 16:9 or 1920 by 1080, but it is horrible in that it won't be even able to expand the image. It expands it, but still it keeps it to a portrait. So here is a little trick for it. I have downloaded this image from Pixels and I have converted this into a perfect 16:9. So here is what you can do. Just download this image or any other image and just go to Gemini or LM Arena. What we can do is just open up the new chat. Let's upload the image. And what we need to do is we need to have a blank sample, this completely blank horizontal image. That should be a transparent image or a white image. You can get this from canva.com as well. I've just generated this from Canva, just made any thumbnail white, and then I have downloaded that. And you can also get this file with the resources section of this video so that you can use that as a reference. All right, after that, what we want to do is we will upload the images one by one. First of all, let's upload this image so that it comes first. And then we are going to upload the image again. But this time the reference image should be this. After that, we will paste a simple command that says take the subject from the first image and place it inside the second image canvas. Because the second image is a 16:9, expand the background for the first image naturally to fill the extra space in the second image. Keep the subject exactly the same without cropping or distorting. Extend the background seamlessly into photorealistic way, and you can read through all of this. It should be a perfect 16:9. So this is basically a little hack to do this. It doesn't do it directly. You have to do a workaround. Click on submit and let's see, wait for the results. And here is the result. A perfect 16:9, simply converted by just giving a simple command. By the way, guys, you will find this reference images and this prompt with the resources section of this video so that you can use this as a reference. So just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.